Hello kids! Today we're going to learn how to use can or can't. Are you ready? Let's start. Can. The modal verb can is used to express a person's ability. For example, look at the picture. What will be our sentence using the modal verb can? Repeat after me. Let's say, I can dance. I can sing. I can play tennis. I can ride a bike. Can't. The modal verb can't is used to express an ability that we cannot do. In a short form, you can write cannot as can't. For example, instead of saying I cannot cook, you can say I can't cook. Another example. Repeat after me. Let's say, I can't swim. I can't ride a bike. I can't sing. This time, let's use can in a question. Let's ask, can you dance? If it's yes, you can say, yes, I can. If it's no, you can say, no, I can't. Easy, right? Now, let's move on to the activity. Activity 1. Put check or put an X. But before that, let's look at the pictures and say the words. Number 1. Play tennis. Number 2. Play the piano. Number 3. Ride a horse. Number 4. Ride a bike. Number 5. Swim. Number 6. Dance. Now kids, let's listen to the audio.
Student's Book, page 97. 1. Look and say. Then listen and tick or cross.
Hello, Sophie. Can I ask you some questions?
Yes, you can.
Can you play tennis?
No, I can't.
Can you play the piano?
Yes, I can.
Okay, kids, it's your time to answer on your book. I know you can do it. Now, let's move on to your workbook. Complete the sentence and write the correct answer. Number 1. Can he play the piano? No, he can't. Number 2. Can she dance? Yes, she can. Number 3. Can he swim? Yes, he can. Number 4. Can she ride a horse? No, she can't. Number 5. Can he play tennis? No, he can't. Number 6. Can she ride a bike? Yes, she can. Great job, kids! So, that's how you learn can or can't in a sentence or in a question form. Hope you've learned something. See you next time. Goodbye.